Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to display attribute change in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So this is the effects of a training. If you are make a training plan, you can see the attribute of your player changing. So I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how this game is works and how to play this game, make a formation, build up formation, and manage a club. And also, if you wanna get this game for free, you can get it a make a subscription in Netflix. From Netflix, you can directly install this game. So if you don't have Netflix, you can get it from App Store or Play Store, and you have to pay it in some amount. Let's get started. Tap this settings button here, and this is the first one. But before that, as you can see, there are 5 options here, and this is the first one, game configurations. So this is display attribute change. You can turn it on or turn it off like this. By default, just turn it on so you can see your player attribute change in over time, like this. And this is if your turn on or display attribute changes is on, this is will be change. There are some progression here. Let's see. And this is the player details here, sorry. So it will change if you turn on the display attribute change. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.